All right, here we go. Good luck. Simon's going to do 2016 in the game used hockey. 5 game used cards per box. Buena suerte. Good luck. I'd do it again. I'd definitely do it again. And after looking at the prices, yeah, Brian definitely gave it to me. Brian definitely gave it to me yesterday. Who did he give it to me? His spot prices are selling for like a total of $250. Jeez. All right, we're gonna start off with 35 of 35. Gordie Howe, Alex Delvecchio, Ted Lindsay, and Sergei Fedorov. 35 of 35. Very, very nice. I like the little Ted Lindsay part right there. Next hit is Jumbo Swatch. Ty Domi. I pulled his autograph last night. 32 of 45. Super Swatch, Ty Domi. Up next. Oh, what is that? 9 of 20. Red Kelly. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm touching it. Is that like a pad or something? It doesn't tell you. Oh, Olympia Stadium. On front of this card is a piece of Olympia Stadium featuring Red Kelly. Okay, so it's a piece of the stadium. That's what that is right there. Let's go this way. Here we go. 4 of 7. 4 of 7. Pad patch jersey. Masked Man memorabilia. Martin Brodeur. Look at that, Jerry. Oh, right in your face. Patch jersey. Unless it's the last card, I don't think this has autographs. This is going to be filthy. I already think it. Come on. Oh, that is awesome. Taylor Hall, 2 of 4. Part of the, I want to say that's part of the Oilers logo. Oilers, with a big old patch right there. I was going to say his jersey number, but his jersey number is 4. Oh, yeah, he got traded, right? He's no longer an Oiler. He's on the Devils now. Oh, man. Very nice. That's a dope little box, man. Little quad. The Ty Domi. That relic, I wonder what that relic is. Probably a piece of the board from Olympia Stadium. Nice little Martin Brodeur. And the Taylor Hall to close it out. And he is now a Devil. He's not a Oiler anymore. Cool. Good stuff. Thank you, Simon.